Hey guys, welcome back to my another video of this node mailer series. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can send a mail to the multiple receivers and how to mention CC and BCC. Okay, so let's go to the code here. Okay, set 2. Here in the set 2, what we have done. Okay, so remove this one right now. What we'll do here, we will create a array here. Let uh, receiver equal to this one, or we can what we have to do this dot mail option 2. If we already have a array, then we will get that array, or we can initialize with a empty array. Okay, after that what we will do, we will write receiver dot push receiver. Okay, let it write here receivers. Okay, and do it receivers. Then after that what we have to do, this dot mail option to set to these receivers that array. So in this way we can send this same mail to the multiple receivers. Okay, after that what we have to do, we have to mention for BCC and CC. So what we have to write, we have to write set CC, and we will receive CC here. And in the same way, what we will do, we will just copy it and put here and CCS. Okay, that means multiple CC, and do here CC, then okay, do CCS, then CC, and here CCS, and here CC. Okay, so I hope it is clear. And same for BCC, copy and paste again. Don't worry, I will show you practically. BC, just put everywhere B. Okay, before C. So I think everything is right. Okay, so we have done CC and BCC with okay, BCC. Okay, okay, B here. So now it is all done. Let's check it. It's working or not. So what can we do? We will not going to use this right now because it will work same. So but it's consumed some time. So to save time, what we'll do, we will write a function here and we will try with it. Okay. So let me pause this video now. So I have written my email IDs, which I am going to use as CC and VCC. So I have written in the env file, and we are getting as process.env.bcc and cc. And here I have to call this send mail function, which is basically containing this, which is creating a mail object from the mail class, as we already done this previously. So let me uncomment this. So if you see, we have received a response here. So let's check our email. Okay, if you see, we have received here. Okay, and we have also received here, and we have also received here. So if I open here, okay, and if I do here, so you can see we have it is mentioned here CC and this mail ID. Okay, if you see from ultimate coding base, whose email address is this, to I am ritik.0@gmail.com, CC is this. And if you see, it's not showing anywhere BCC, but we are getting the email as BCC also. Sorry, this one not here. Okay, so I hope this is clear. For the BCC, you can mention the BCC and CC, and you can send the multiple mail at the same time. So let's see how can you send the multiple message at the same time. Okay, let's remove this one. And what can we do right now? Let's comment this one. And what can we do? Okay, okay, we'll just write here. Okay, set to, and also let's see we will get or not. We get or not on this mail ID. So let's uncomment this function right now. So if you see, we have received this response. Let's comment this call and go back once. So if you see, we have received here, we have also received here. Okay, and the last we have also received here. So if you see, we have receiving the mail at the same time. That means we are able to send the multiple mails. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we will see how you can send the attachments like files. Okay, so bye. Meet you in the next video. And before that, please like, because if you like this video, I got the motivation of making more videos like this. Bye.